Our staff goes the extra mile to ensure our clients walk away happy and satisfied. So we're excited to share our latest rave review, written by one of our valued customers. And this is one of our latest customer reviews. As you can see, our staff focuses on providing top quality service. We work one-on-one with every client to ensure we meet their expectations. Customer satisfaction is extremely important to our company. So let us put our thousands of hours of dedication, experience, and 5-star customer service to work for you today. We love the opportunity to earn a great review from you, too. It's great you had a chance to take a look at us. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.